I'm Katie Dunn. I'm a senior account manager here at Aduro. And if I gave one tip for building a population that's truly flourishing and able to fully engage in their own well-being, I would say building a culture of wellness into your environment can be done easily by having a well-developed wellness champions network. Firstly, it takes a lot of work off of the hands of HR for spreading the word about the program. But most of all, these are people who have personally identified with well-being. They have their own story. They are leading by example. They are engaging with the rest of your employees and spreading the word, walking the talk, but also they hear a lot of really good feedback that might not come directly to HR. So I think that's important, but also the most important aspect of finding the right wellness champions is people who have their own story. So that can mean a lot of different things to different people, and it's so much more than your cholesterol levels. There are 4 elements of well-being, and so health and fitness is just one of them. It could be someone who's paid off a serious amount of credit card debt. Making that connection for people, spreading the word, and being comfortable sharing it can take a lot of the work off of HR. And that's just another way to make human performance work for you.